Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Then select one of your chats and click on this icon with a camera and a photo located at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on the photos right away or select the gallery section instead. Now select them from here the same way. When you're ready, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully added to text message on my Xiaomi. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!